Perfect.
Now, something around the meditation. There is so much confusion all around the world regarding this practice of meditation. Meditation actually is such a practice which one does to change the fate. Body could be healthy with the physical practice. Mind could be healthy with the breathing exercises. But then the fate, for this, meditation is available to any individual. But then we used to meditate at any possible time or the available time. And we go on doing it, but still the fruits of meditation is absent. It is because there is a kal, or the time when someone should perform meditation, called as the Brahma Muhurt, in between 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. If someone practice meditation around that time, Swami Shivanand used to say that it is equivalent that a person is practicing 10-12 hours of meditation from 7 in the morning till 7 in the evening, and if someone is doing meditation from 3 to 4 or 4 to 5, 1 hour in the Brahma Muhurt, it is equivalent. So understand this deeply if you are really eager to know what meditation is. Thank you so much.